Welcome once again to this beautiful channel. And you already know what you eat up is what you are, and where you reside counts. Talking about a garden. A garden is a planned outdoor space where plants like flowers, vegetables, fruits, and shrubs are cultivated for enjoyment, decoration, or to grow food. Also, photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and some other organisms use sunlight to synthesize nutrients from carbon dioxide and water. So if your house is situated in a garden or around a garden, there are many benefits you'll be enjoying. We call those benefits secret benefits. So those benefits is what we'll be looking at. So having said that, if you look down below this video by the right, do well to hit on the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell. That is to say, you tap on that subscription button and also turn on the notification bell. Living in or around a garden has so many benefits, both for the body and the mind. Let's break it down. Improves mental health. Being around plants reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. Exposure to greenery boosts dopamine and serotonin, the happy hormones. It gives a sense of peace and calm, like natural therapy. 2. Boost physical health. Gardens encourage physical activity like digging, watering, or walking. Breathing fresh, oxygen-rich air improves lung health. Sunlight exposure in a garden provides vitamin D, essential for strong bones and immunity. Encourages healthy eating. If you grow fruits, herbs, or vegetables, you eat fresher, chemical-free food. Gardening makes people more mindful of what they eat. 4. Sharpens the brain. Gardening and caring for plants keep the brain active, improving memory and focus. It lowers the risk of cognitive decline as we age. 5. Strengthens social life. Community gardens bring people together. 6. Connect us with nature. And 7. Exposure to natural light and fresh air improves sleep cycles. So thank you so much for watching. I remain your regular host, Mr. Goswe.